Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to make an energy booster drink and also a drink that helps you in burning fat more efficiently. So let's get started. We are going to prepare my favorite matcha latte. Matcha latte with coconut milk. Coconut milk is one of the most amazing low carb fruits. It's really rich in fatty acid like lauric acid and caprylic acid, which are antibacterial, antifungal. It's really rich in medium chain triglycerides as well, which are fatty acids that goes directly into your liver to be used as fuel. They don't get stored in the adipose tissue. If you don't want to add too much fat, I suggest that you add half cup full fat coconut milk and half cup water, or even quarter cup coconut milk and 3/4 cup filter water. So we are gonna add it in the container where we are gonna make the latte. So any kind of blender, high-speed blender, any kind of blender is good for this. Then we are gonna add matcha. Matcha is one of the most amazing plants from the planet. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants, which means it's really good for boosting energy, for eliminating free radical tissue damage, for boosting the mitochondria, your metabolism is really good. So we are gonna add half to 1 teaspoon of matcha. It's perfect for longevity as well because of the amount of antioxidants. Has to be 100% pure. Read the ingredients label. Don't buy any matcha that comes with any dextrose or rice flour, any starch with it, just pure matcha powder, organic. Then we want to add a little bit of protein. We're going to add 1 tablespoon collagen peptides, collagen powder. 1 tablespoon is about 6 to 10 grams of it. And why collagen powder is so good for you is because it's really rich in amino acids like proline and glycine that are very important for healing the gut lining and boosting immunity, plus helping in building muscle. Also really good for skin, hair, nails. It's amazing. Then if you suffer from constipation, you need to add a little bit of extra fiber into your diet. I do recommend Acacia powder because it's not damaging the villi. It's not very aggressive. And I'm gonna add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of this. Fiber is really good for improving bowel movement because it's one of the ways that we have also for balancing estrogens, for eliminating estrogen, which is a big cause for weight loss resistance. And then in order to boost the mitochondria, the energy in the mitochondria, how good we burn the fat, I'm gonna add L-carnitine. L-carnitine is a membrane transporter in the surface of the mitochondria. So the mitochondria is the powerhouse of our body. Imagine that in every single cell of our body we have mitochondria, and it's like the generator in our house that is producing energy in the form of ATP. ATP is the energy coin for the body. We use it for everything. So L-carnitine is the transporter that helps introducing the fuel for the mitochondria. So 1/4 teaspoon to half, we don't need more than that. 1/4 teaspoon is fine. And then I do like my matcha tea like this, but if you want to add a little bit of sweetener, we are going to add a low carb sweetener, which is stevia. Stevia is a plant, and when you buy stevia, be sure that the ingredients label says no dextrose, inulin, maltodextrin, erythritol, just stevia. It doesn't raise your glycemic index and doesn't cause inflammation. We are able to digest it very well in the digestive system. So stevia is much sweeter than sugar. So just a little bit of stevia, just a little bit. It's okay. So start with a bit and then you can add depending how sweet you like it. And basically, this is it. We are gonna blend it. Matcha is ready, so we are gonna put it in our mug and it's ready to drink. If you like it warmer, just warm it up, don't take it to boiling. This is it. And if you wanna get fancy, we can add an extra powerhouse of antioxidants, iron and tryptophan, so helps you in feeling good, which is cacao powder. Chocolate is a superfood, and if you suffer from anemia, it's a really good source of iron. So how I'm gonna add the cacao? I'm gonna use this fancy stainless steel coffee utensil. And basically, how do you use this? So we are gonna add the cacao. You can use cinnamon as well, which is really good for balancing blood sugar. But I feel like some chocolate flavor. So we add some cacao in there in a very fine sieve, and then we just pour it in here like this. It's so pretty. And our powerhouse, antioxidants powerhouse is ready. Remember to share the video, share the love, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy.